Hi, my name is Abith. I am an art teacher living in Portland, Maine, and I'm going to show you how to make a crystal garden out of pipe cleaners. So the first thing you will need to make for your crystal garden are some flowers. So I'm going to have you take out a green pipe cleaner and then a pipe cleaner of any color you would like for your flower. And you're going to wrap the green pipe cleaner around the end of your colorful pipe cleaner. And I'm going to make sure they're nice and securely wrapped around each other. And then you're just going to take little 1-inch sections of the colored pipe cleaner and bend it out like this to make petals. So I'm just taking it, making a loop, and then wrapping it around the center, making another loop, wrapping it around the center, and then just tucking it in. You can spread the petals out like that. And then you're going to fold up your pipe cleaner like this, with just a little end sticking out of the top, and you're going to twist it. And then make a little loop coming out of the side for a leaf on your flower. And you can make as many of these as you want. I'm going to make one more in yellow, but it's a good idea to just make a whole bunch of them for your crystal garden. Set them out on a table anywhere. All right, so make a bunch of those. And then the last step for your crystal garden is, of course, to make crystals. So get some of these silver tinsel pipe cleaners, and you're going to start by folding one of them in half, making a nice sharp point at the end. And then you're going to fold both of the ends up like that to make kind of a triangle. And wrap both of the ends through those bottom corners of the triangle. And you can fold them back up to make more sharp edges. Make 2 more corners like that. And really this part is kind of open-ended. As long as you give these silver pipe cleaners sharp corners like that, it'll look like a crystal. And then you can just place it nestled within the flowers, and you can make as many of those as you want also. My name is Abith, and I just showed you how to make a crystal garden using pipe cleaners.